got this guitar at the flea market for $30. By the look at it, you can see they did a Les Paul Memphis. Yes, they did one of the lowest guitar. Depending on who you ask, it could be some of the greatest budget guitar or some of the worst guitar in the entire world. They always have a soft spot for me. I also have this Telecaster copy right here that I really love to play with. If you're following my YouTube short, you will know this video is gonna be coming up.
$5. 35 bucks.
So let's see this guitar is Dread or Treasure. Interestingly, they have like a pocket between the guitar grabs, so it's not totally solid body. Some empty spot here. So it did carve at a semi-hollow body. Couple people say using alcohol to removing the super glue on it. I know it's gonna dry out the fret, but I will try to be liberal amount of glue as possible. So I just put the pearl inlay back to the neck, to the ball. As you can see, it's not perfectly flat yet, except for the back right here, it's flat, but on top it's still crooked. So I've got to took it off, adding a piece of veneer, mahogany veneer right here, about here, still raising the pearl inlay up a little bit, so that will make it more perfect.
Side.
So I was doing a little bit of wet sanding to remove all the scratching over here, and I discovered they have some hitting decal right there. I cannot tell what it is saying. I see a couple 2N and an M-A-N-N behind the Memphis. What's going on here? It did used to be a different guitar and they just slap on the Memphis brand on it. Yeah, you can clearly see it. Let me know in the comment if you know what's going on here. I never see something like that before. So what the comment tell me did it Bill Lauren pickup from the 80s. So the pickup is more expensive than the guitar itself. Everything is pretty much done, and it's surprisingly good too. I never played like a Les Paul style design guitar before, but this is the first time I ever own one, and it's fairly comfortable to play on this shape. I surprised too. And this guitar gonna be on my reverb listing. If you want to support the channel in any way, that's the best way to do it. So let's do some sound testing on the guitar. Special thanks to Mario DiSanto for letting me using his song in this video. All the music you hear from the album Distorted Proportion, really good album. I enjoy every track from it. Definitely check out his channel, it's about recording and get that 60 sound, really cool stuff. I will leave his YouTube channel and his bandcamp in the link below. This video ended up being longer than I expected. I was trying some new editing style and it's quite different from my usual video. Again, this guitar will be on my Reverb channel. If you want to support the channel in any way, this is a great way to do it. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out other videos if you're interested.